It's not 2010 anymore, so why are you using the same old play-along app to become a better musician? Imagine if your play-along app could show you not only every chord in your song, but which scales to use with those chords. What if it also gave you a full harmonic analysis of the song? The ability to completely customize the play-along track from how you voice the chords to creating more sophisticated bass lines based on the chord scales. Also, instantly reharmonize any song with the touch of a button, or create the perfect workout in all 12 keys. More than just being the best play-along that you've ever used, Mapping Tonal Harmony Pro is the complete all-around companion for any musician. Discover all the things that Mapping Tonal Harmony Pro can do for you today. So what are you waiting for? Get Mapping Tonal Harmony Pro today and take your playing to the next level.